Hi and stuff. Ever since Doom 2016 came out and rejuvenated the franchise, there has been the constant slew of newbies fighting out about the classic series and trying their hand at mapping for its easy and inviting process. But despite all that, they still make the same mistakes over and over. And honestly, it's kind of painful to watch. Not to mention it also floods the forums. Look at this, it's ridiculous. Anyways, I'm gonna keep this short. These are common mistakes amongst new mappers that you should avoid. Nobody's first ever maps are good for actually playing. They're usually just testing out actions and enemies. They aren't actual proper layouts with proper texturing and gameplay. Try submit your second map instead, when you have learned to compose something cohesive and enjoyable. I'm talking about compatibility. A lot of newbies start with Zedom because it's a source port they play in or something. But all it does is complicate your mapping with a ton of new features that you won't use right off the bat in your very first few maps. So use Doom or Doom 2 compatibility, as it has all the basics that you need without overwhelming you with features. In addition to that, it also expands source port playability, so it won't be playable only on Zedom source ports, and more people will come to play it. I know it looks tempting because your first and second maps may not take too much time to make, so you might think, why not get a full map pack of 32 maps and get all the cuckoos and the babes? But the truth is that you'll run out of steam like 10 or 15 maps in and completely exhaust yourself from mapping, abandon mapping altogether too, and it will end up just being a waste of your time. Though it could be a valuable lesson, you'd rather not learn the hard way by experiencing it yourself. Just take my word for it. Megawatts that are made by single people are extremely rare and are usually made by experienced mappers. A lot of newcomers play secrets behind the walls you have to hump. They're either behind odd textures or random walls. Hiding them behind random walls is not good design and should be avoided. Placing them behind walls is an okay design, but it becomes really easy after finding one or two, because by then it will become predictable. There's potentially an infinite amount of ways to hide a secret besides that. Behind a prop, out of bounds, behind a waterfall, weird jumps, etc. So many newbies over the forums post threads of their WADs with no information about the WAD. They just put up a plain link. That's a big mistake. Screenshots are basically advertisements for your map. If there are none, then barely anybody will give it a try. Not many are going to download your WAD, set it up, play it, and share their thoughts. So please, post at least one screenshot of your map so that people know what to expect. To post a screenshot, what you need to do is open the WAD in a source port of your choice. Find the finest looking spot, press the screenshot key, then go to your source ports folder. The screenshot should be there now. Go to an image hosting website like Imager, for example. Upload the screenshot there, copy the image address, and paste it into your post. So you posted your WAD properly, with screenshots and all, but still let people saying your map is bad. No biggie, you're new. If they tell you why, then follow their criticism and apply it to your future maps. You've got nowhere to go but up anyway. You're making maps for others to enjoy. Otherwise, I don't think you'd share them publicly. Don't think you're dumbest for watching this. These are common mistakes that almost anyone new makes. When I started out mapping, I was not following these tips at all, and had to learn them from experience, which was a long and grueling process for me. I started up my mapping experience by working on a full megawatt for Zedom and posting it on the forums with no screenshots or any other information. Anyways, thank you all for watching. If I missed any particularly useful tips, comment down below and give the video a like if you took a thing or two from watching it.